I've rebuilt him, but to be fair, most of the Mercedes that I've not had for long, apart from one which we'll get to later in the video. And also it sounds weird. They need an X-pipe. They need an X-pipe because at the minute, so you have 8 cylinders. Exhaust pipe goes down and out here, and then exhaust pipe goes down and out there. So each side you only hear 4 cylinders at a time. So when you're revving it sounds like it's got like a misfire. It's like a bit. Sport mode's a bit better. Got a bit of popping and banging, but it just has that. I don't know. It's just weird. It just sounds weird. Bearing in mind, like the Urus almost has the same engine as it, 4-litre V8. It sounds very, very different to this. But I don't know what to do with Wayne. Every time I get into him, I really want to like him. But for how much money Wayne is, I'm not sure. But I will think about it.